Good morning, dear students. Already we discussed the exercise 2.2 in the chapter Trigonometric, inverse trigonometric functions, and now we are going to continue from 11 problem. First we solved 10 problems. Now this 11, 12, 13. It is to find the values of each of the three problems, and 14, 15 in the question is here itself. This is a condition and this is find the value of x. Okay. Now the 11th one. You see, we are given tan inverse 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Cos of 2, this is 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. What is the value of this expression? It is as it is tan inverse of 2 cos 2 into this sin inverse 1 by 2 is sin 30 degrees. Okay, many problems we solve. Sin inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is sin 30 degrees. You take only 30 degrees. Many times I repeat. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. And also it is sin 150. But don't go to 150. Only the first principal value of the angle, 30 degrees one. So I am taking here sin 30. It is tan inverse 2 cos 2 into sin inverse, sin cancels, we get 30 degrees. It is tan inverse 2 into, it is cos 60 degrees. 2 into 30, 60 degrees. So it is tan inverse 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it is tan inverse 1, so 2 cancel. 1 in case of tan inverse is tan 45 degrees. Okay na? 1 in terms of tan is tan 45. Okay na? Not 225. Don't confuse. Tan 45 is 1. The very first value you have to take. First tan. Tan inverse tan cancels, we get 45 degrees. That is in the radians pi by 4. Okay na? Is it clear? Simply you can follow. Tan inverse of 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is sin 30. Sin inverse sin cancels, we get 30 degrees. 2 into 30 is 60 degrees. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Value is there. 2 cancels. Tan inverse 1. 1 is again tan 45. Tan 45, tan inverse cancels, we get 45. That is pi by 4. Yeah, okay now? Yeah. Next, we go to 12th problem. It is cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Okay now? It is cot of, a formula is there. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, pi by 2. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. In the properties, it is clear. So this is, it is simply pi by 2. You may get some doubt. I will write it. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. A set of property. It is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Formula is there. Okay na? So tan and cot one set. Sin and cos one pair. Secant and cosecant also is there. Pi by 2. So leave it out. We need this one. Okay, now so it is pi by 2. So cot pi by 2 is cot 90 is 0. So its value is 0. Yes, okay now? Right. You try to follow this formula. If you are unable to catch this formula, it is not possible to solve. It is a formula, we have to learn it. Okay now? These are the two problems. Okay. The next. You see, 13. It is tan of 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. We are given the conditions also. I will tell clearly. But in the problems, these conditions are not necessary to prove. But in the properties, it is needed. Okay. In order to find the value of this one, it is needed to put x is equal to tan alpha and y is equal to tan beta. Because x and y two different variables are there. So x is equal to tan alpha and y is equal to tan beta. Then alpha is equal to tan inverse x. Here beta is equal to tan inverse y. Okay now? It is there. Now it is tan of 1 by 2. This is sine inverse 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta. Okay now? It is tan of 1 by 2 into, it is sine inverse 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha is sine 2 alpha. A formula is there. Okay now? Sine 2 alpha in terms of sine 2 alpha means 2 sine alpha cancel is a direct formula. But it is also there. It is cos inverse of 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta is cos 2 beta. Okay na? Cos 2 beta. Cos 2 beta means cos square beta minus sin square beta. 2 cos square beta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square beta, and this formula also there in terms of tan. Now it is tan of 1 by 2 in sine inverse cancels, we get 2 alpha, and cos cancels, we get 2 beta. Okay now? Now it is tan of 1 by 2 into 2 of alpha plus beta. 2 cancels, we get tan of alpha plus beta. It is tan of, what is alpha? Tan inverse x. What is beta? It is tan inverse beta. Okay now? So it is tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse beta is also formula is there. It is tan inverse of x plus this is y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay now? For this formula, the condition xy is less than 1. In the property it is there. Try to understand it. Without knowing that property, we are unable to solve this problem. And xy must be greater than 0. Yeah, okay. Now tan inverse tan cancels, we get x plus y by 1 minus x, y, z. Okay, na? This is the procedure. Okay, na? Right. Pass. Okay. Next, 14th problem. 14th. Here it is a different one. 11, 12, 13 is we have to find the value of those expressions. But here in this problem, if sine of something is equal to 1, then find the value of x. We are given a condition. So we have to write like this. Given. What is given in the problem? It is sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. Okay, now this is given. By using this condition, we will find the value of x. I want to send sine to this side. So it is sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to, it is sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1. This is nothing but 5 by 2. Right? Sine inverse of 1 means, or otherwise you write like this. It is sine inverse of sine 5 by 2. So it is a 5 by 2. Which one? Here and there like this, sine inverse 1 by 5, cos inverse x. Now, cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5. Okay, now? You see, a small twist. Try to understand. The only sine goes to that side is sine inverse of 1. But here we are sending sine inverse of 1 by 5 to this side. That means here it is a plus, here it is a minus. Okay, now? Right. Now x is equal to, here it is a cos inverse, comes to this side, cos of. A lot of difference is there. Cos inverse comes to here, it is cos of this something. It is cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Okay, now? You see, somewhere some students may feel that suddenly cos changes as a sin. How? What happened? What happened to CSR? Just like you are feeling. Here it is the fundamental formula. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. 1 or 2 times you repeat it. Otherwise it will not come. Because trigonometry means it is all based on the basic formulas. Very fundamental formulas. You have to learn it. Okay. Sine of sine inverse x. Sine of sine inverse cancels. We get 1 by 5. So x value is 1 by 5. Okay, now that is it. Try to understand it. Once again, I want to repeat. This sine goes to this side, sine inverse of 1. That 1 is nothing but sine 90 pi by 2. Sine inverse sine cancels, we get pi by 2. Okay, now. Again, I am keeping the cos inverse x there itself, and the sine inverse 1 by 5 comes to this side. That means we are subtracting almost. Then it is a plus, it is a minus. And again, cos inverse comes to this side, cos inverse, cos of something. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. And sine is inverse cancels, we get 1 by 5. Next, here also the condition is given and we have to find the value of x. What is given? Tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2. Okay, now this is the given data, the problem is equal to pi by 4 also. Okay, now you see, in formula is there tan inverse, it is tan inverse capital X, it is tan inverse capital Y ratio. Simply, in order to make calculation easy, all this part is capital X, this part is Y. Now tan inverse X plus tan inverse Y is tan inverse of X plus Y by 1 minus XY. Okay, na? Okay, na? But condition is there. One condition is there, but it is not needed. Even though for the knowledge purpose, I am telling to try to catch. Otherwise, simply leave down. Nothing wrong. Capital X is nothing but x minus 1 by x minus 2. Okay, now x minus 1 by x minus 2. Minus 1 is more than minus 2. So it is which one? It is a positive value. Capital Y is also x plus 1 by x plus 2. Also positive value. X into Y is x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 2. Also it is less than 1. Because it is x square minus 1 by x square minus 4, it is less than 1. Okay, na? Right. But it is not needed, you simply leave it out. Okay, na? Not needed, simply not needed. Leave it out. Then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy is the formula. That is to be noted. Now x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to tan inverse comes to this side. It is tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, na? So x plus y is equal to 1 minus xy. Yes, okay, na? 1 into 1 minus xy. What is x? What is x? X is x minus 1 by x minus 2. It is x plus 1 by x plus 2 y value. 1 minus already x value, x into y value is there. So it is x square minus 1 by x square minus 4. Okay, na? Here it is x minus 1 of x plus 2 LCM. It is x plus 1 of x minus 2 LCM by it is a plus b and a minus b same x square minus 4 here also. It is x square minus 1 here also making LCM. It is minus x square plus 1 by x square minus 4. On both sides it cancels. Okay, na? Try to get it. Okay, na? Now I want to erase this one. Okay, na? Once again you see it is tan inverse something. Let it be x. Tan inverse it is y. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. You leave this one. You simply follow this one. Is pi by 4. Tan inverse come to this side. It is 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. And I am sending to this side 1 into 1 minus xy. And what is x and what is y? I am substituting. Yeah. Okay, now x into x, x square. X into 2, 2x minus x. This is plus x. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Plus x into x is x square. X into minus 2, minus 2x plus 1x. This is minus x. Plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 is equal to x square cancels, we get minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Okay, now this is 2x square, x cancels, x plus x, x square plus x square, 2x square, minus 4 is equal to minus 3. 2x square is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus 4 comes with 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. X square is 1 by 2. X is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay, da? Yeah, okay, da? Like that we have to solve. Huh?